Hi, I'm Kira, and I want to invite you into something really special. The Unleash Your Voice Singing and Vocal Empowerment Program right here in Toronto. If you're a woman who loves to sing, this is for you. If you're a shy singer, this is for you. If you're a beginner or intermediate or returning singer who's really just trying to find her voice again, this program is for you. Here's what I know. If we're holding back our voice, we are holding back in life. And when you free your voice, something inside shifts. Your confidence increases, your energy lifts, and you end up just feeling more like your authentic self.
And then you can find these parts of yourself just opening up in your daily life. My ability to be more authentic, be more okay with not being perfect, kind of enjoying the imperfection, actually.
This program is about unlocking that freedom in a safe and supportive space. You don't need to have experience, you just need to want to sing. I'll guide you through simple breath work and toning practices to free and strengthen your voice. Together, we'll sing lots of really fun, easy to learn melodies, healing songs, and some great high vibe pop tunes.
I can be who I want to be.
This isn't about performing or becoming a good singer. It's about joy, connection, and finding confidence and power in your authentic voice. Over 4 weeks, we'll gather as a community of open-hearted women and support each other in this journey. Unleash Your Voice is a beautiful, nurturing space. We laugh a lot, we share, and of course, more than anything, we sing. I've designed it so that each week builds on the last, giving you tools that you can carry into every part of your life. For a long time, I felt really blocked in my own expression. I carried a lot of shame, and it limited what I could accomplish. It held me back. So if that resonates with you, I understand what you're going through, and I know the way forward. There's so much more joy in life when you feel good in your own skin and when you feel good in your authentic expression. Each time I run Unleash Your Voice, the women share that they've experienced more safety and trust in their own voice. Imagine that. More safety and trust in your own voice.
I'm a recovering perfectionist and I feel like this workshop has really helped me to step out of it more and just flow and be in the moment.
There's sisterhood, there's such a deep connection, and women relaxing into the fullness of their own expression. It's magical every time. Are you ready to sing? I would love to welcome you into the Unleash Your Voice community. Details below.